Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. So in this video we will be downloading and installing IntelliJ IDE. So for this you need to go to Google and then search for IntelliJ IDE and make sure you go to this link where it says IntelliJ IDE and then not the ultimate version. If you have the money and can afford, feel free to go to this one, but this is the link for the free one. So you click here and then click on this download, and you can see jetbrains.com IDE, and then you click here, and then this is that same ultimate edition. This is some money they ask for, but we don't do that. We will download the free one. So download the exe file, and here you have a option if you want to download the exe or zip. So here we will just download the exe. So hit download.
And this is downloading. It's about 600 MBs. So once it's downloaded, I'll show how we can install it on our machine.
So it's downloaded, and either we can click on this or we can go to downloads and then click on this one, the first one, C. That is the recent one I downloaded, and it will open in a minute. So here it will ask for permissions, so you just hit yes, and then you click on next, and then it will install in your C drive. It will take about 3 gigs of your space, and then hit next, and then here you would like to click on this and then this one. It is up to you, up to your preference, but I would suggest, since we'll be doing Java, so I check mark this and then all of these, and then hit next, install. So it will take some time to install. So here it will ask for either reboot now or manually reboot later. So I'll reboot it later. Hit finish, and then you click here, and then you should see IntelliJ Community Edition. You click on it. If you can't find it, you can just search it. IntelliJ, and it should show up. Okay, so here it will ask you to go through the agreement. Here we'll just click confirm, continue, and then it should load up the IDE. So it's loaded and you can create a new project. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just mention in the comments below. Thank you.